Hey, and welcome to a new video from Psychology Wisdom YouTube channel. Afraid that you're not girlfriend material? Is it becoming a trend that men only seem to be interested in you for a short period of time? Don't worry, many people have these worries from time to time. It's completely normal. But if you think that it might have something to do with your personality, then it's easy to fix. You just need to know a little bit about male psychology and what they look for in a female. In this video, we are going to show you the psychology behind the top 10 traits that men find really attractive in a woman. If you watch this video to the end and learn the 10 traits given, men will always find you attractive. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and comment down below, "I subscribed," so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Sexy femininity. Women tend to like strong masculine men, and in the same vein, men like sexy, feminine women. But in today's society, our definition of femininity can get a little fuzzy. Many of us misinterpret femininity as being passive and a pushover. This couldn't be further from the truth. The fact is, despite the shift in roles between men and women, one thing remains true. The most important factor that attracts men to women is femininity. Being feminine is all about owning your sexual power. Every guy wants to be with a girl who has that powerful feminine look about her. You know, the look that could stop a train when she walks in the room with confidence and everyone looks. Guys love that. Maybe it's not a look. Maybe it's an outfit or your smile or your hair. But there's some feature about you that would make a guy stop and stare. Find out what it is and find a way to highlight it. It'll forever be the story he tells. "I couldn't help myself when she walked into the room. I just stared." And isn't that the story you want to be told about you too? The bottom line is this: it's about walking, sitting, talking, and moving with sexy confidence. It's about flirting with that seductive, charming, feminine beauty. A woman who understands the power of her femininity knows she is of high value, doesn't need a man to take care of her, and is confident in who she truly is. That's the kind of feminine female a man loves. Number 2. She triggers his hero instinct. There's actually a fascinating new concept in relationship psychology that's getting a lot of buzz at the moment. It goes to the heart of the riddle about why men fall in love and who they fall in love with. The theory claims that men want to be your hero, that they want to step up to the plate for the woman in their lives and provide and protect her. This is deeply rooted in male biology. People are calling it the hero instinct. You can watch an excellent video about it by clicking the first link in the description after watching this video. If you've spent any time with a man, you'll instantly realize that this all makes a lot of sense. Men come in all shapes and sizes, but the desire to be there for the woman we care about is common to us all. The simple truth is that your man doesn't necessarily want to be an action hero, but he does have a biological urge to be your hero. The main takeaway of the hero instinct is this: instead of making your guy feel unessential, you need to make him feel wanted and needed. This doesn't mean women need to come across as weak. Although you may not need a hero, you do want a man who feels like one. He wants to have your back. He wants to be your rock. You just need to let him be this once in a while. Number 3. A sense of humor. No matter who you are and what sex you're interested in, everybody is attracted to a person who can make them laugh. It's no different for men. Research has even found that men like women who laugh at their jokes and can make them laugh too. This doesn't just go for telling funny jokes. After all, we're not all naturally witty, but it's about people who can laugh along together. When you can't help but laugh in synchronicity, spending time together becomes exciting, positive, and fun. However, what men don't like is when women constantly use humor that makes fun of them. So if you can help it, try not to make jokes by teasing him. You might have the opposite effect of turning him off. You want to make him laugh, not reduce his self-confidence. Number 4, confidence is a must. Oh, and you must be confident. You don't have to be cocky, but you have to know yourself, your body, and what you want. It's easy for guys to be a part of your life when you have it together. He wants you to want him, but not need him. There's a difference. It's called being clingy. So yes, the order just keeps getting taller, but nobody said dating was easy. And yes, you can be confident, funny, pretty, girly, and independent all in the same day. The bottom line is this: any person becomes more attractive when they're secure in their own skin. These kinds of people are less sensitive, not as jealous, and they're more comfortable to be around. In short, there's less toxicity when a person is accepting of themselves. When you're happy with who you are, people around you become happy as well. Number 5. Show your beautiful smile. There's no getting around it. Men absolutely love a beautiful, sparkling smile. You might think that putting on long eyelashes or big red lipstick will get you the attention of a guy, but actually, a smile will do more than they could put together. When you have a big, happy smile, not only does it show your confidence, but it makes you appear happy, friendly, and open. A big, bright smile gives them that excitement that they crave. There's a reason research studies have found that humans are most attractive when they're smiling. Now, obviously, there's not much you can do to change your smile and how it looks, but what you can do is make sure you're smiling as much as you can. A beautiful smile can do wonders. You just need to make sure you're using it. Number 6. Be caring. Women are naturally more caring and empathic, so it's time to use that to your advantage. Research has found that men find a kind, caring side as an important quality in a female. Men are attracted to a woman who is able to take care of them and look after them when life gets tough. Even when he's emotionally unavailable, women are great listeners. And if you can bring out the emotional and sensitive side in him by making him feel comfortable, your connection will spark like a lightning strike. But it's not just about how you treat your man. It's also about how you treat his friends and family. Be nice and friendly to them too. Men like a woman who is lovely and polite to everyone they meet. It means that he'll be happy to show you off when the time comes for it. Make sure you listen and ask insightful questions. Once he feels comfortable, he'll start seeing your caring side and will understand that he can trust you when he wants to release his emotions. Number 7. Be playful and have fun. Who doesn't love a funny person? You're probably wishing for a funny boyfriend right now, but don't leave all the laughs up to him. If your jokes have been met with some crickets in the past, consider boning up on your sense of humor and make the effort to be funny. Guys like that. Look like a girl, laugh like a guy. No wonder women give up on dating, but the truth is this: nobody wants to be with someone who is extremely serious all the time. That can get tiring and uncomfortable. It's time to bring out that laid-back, playful and fun side of you. Don't be afraid of what other people think of you. Laugh at yourself, make jokes, laugh at him, and enjoy your time together. Number 8. Listen to him. Guys like a girl that makes an effort to listen to him. If he is thinking about having you as his girlfriend, then he needs to know that you're willing to listen. Why? Well, there will be days when all he wants to do is come home to you and tell you about the horrible day he's been having. Remember, the tough guy act is just for show. Underneath that facade is a human being needing a companion who will listen to his stories. The simple truth is that guys can struggle to process and understand their feelings. Women are more in touch with their emotions. After all, male and female brains are biologically different. This means it's up to women to really listen to men and make an effort to understand how they're feeling. Number 9. Be intelligent. Your mind is a precious thing, and improving your mental capacity and mental sharpness is a quality that many people find sexy. The days of people looking down on bookworms are over, and if they're not, then do you really want to be with someone who doesn't find intelligence sexy? These days, it's all about putting yourself out as the perfect, complete package. Show people that you have interests, that you like learning new things. Explore parts of the world that have nothing to do with sexiness, romance, or dating, and it will show your potential partners that you are someone who is much deeper than they realize. Intelligence generally comes with passion, and displaying that passion out for the world to see is always sexy. Number 10. Get your own life and be your own person. Guys want a girl who has her own life, her own interests, her own goals, and who lives by her own rules. Guys don't want girls who are needy, clingy drama queens and always in the middle of some chaotic episode. In other words, guys want girls who have got their lives together and who can be their own person. If you want to get a date with a quality man, you first need to have a quality life of your own, like attracts like. So if you find yourself dating dull, boring and uninteresting people all the time, consider what you're putting out there to attract that. In fact, in one study, questionnaires were given to 978 participants to determine whether the way one perceives themselves is any way related to the attributes they value in people they date. It was found that people look to date those whose attributes closely resemble their own. According to psychologists, this means that people searching for mates should be encouraged to look for those similar to themselves, as this may lead to relationships that are both satisfying and stable. Sure, it's not what you were hoping for from an advice column, but it's the truth. If you want a guy who has his act together, make sure you have yours under control. If you made it this far, it means you are a true fan, and we really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.